Picture this. You're frantically trying to open File Explorer on your Windows PC, and it takes forever to load. Frustrating, right? Microsoft has stepped in with an unexpected twist to speed things up by running the app in the background before you even click on it. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this clever innovation or just a band-aid over a deeper problem? Stick with me as we dive into the details and explore why this approach might leave tech enthusiasts scratching their heads. Microsoft's latest move targets the infamous sluggishness of File Explorer, not through the usual route of trimming excess features or fine-tuning the code, but by preloading the application discreetly behind the scenes. This update rolled out in a recent Windows Insider build, accessible via the dev and beta channels, which you can check out in the official announcement here, https://blogs windows.com/windows-insider/11/210/727/1-insider-preview-build-261-0-0-727-1-dev-beta-channels/. Alongside this, the build includes an enhanced Xbox full-screen experience tailored for PC gaming and a handy point-in-time restore feature to help recover from botched updates. To really grasp the evolution here, let's rewind the clock. Way back in 2018, Microsoft revived and open-sourced the original Windows File Manager, a streamlined tool that was all about efficiency. This classic app weighed in at a mere 700 kilobytes. Think of it as a lightweight speedster compared to today's bloated software. It handled file operations seamlessly, whether locally or across networks, and debuted with Windows 3.0. By the time Windows NT 4.0 came around, it was phased out largely because Windows Explorer and later File Explorer had taken over, adding layers of functionality that made it indispensable. As File Explorer grew in utility, incorporating advanced search, cloud integration, and more, its performance took a hit. Instead of reverting to its lean roots or optimizing the underlying code, Microsoft opted for preloading. This means the app starts up in the background when your system boots, so when you need it, it's ready to go. It's like how web browsers preload pages to make surfing faster, but for your file management. This shouldn't be visible to you, outside of File Explorer hopefully launching faster when you need to use it. Microsoft assured users in their release notes. And this is the part most people miss. With all the AI features Microsoft is pushing onto devices, things like intelligent assistants and predictive suggestions, there must be enough extra CPU power and memory lying around to handle this preloading without slowing down the rest of your computer, right? It raises eyebrows, especially when you consider that not everyone has top-tier hardware. The change is still in experimental mode, rolling out gradually to gather feedback. If you're in the loop and want to tweak it, you can flip the switch by heading to File Explorer's folder options under the View tab and unchecking Enable Window Preloading for faster launch times. It's tough to ignore how Windows has ballooned over time, accumulating features that demand more resources. Kind of like how a once simple smartphone app evolves into a feature-packed monster that drains your battery. Yet, choosing to preload instead of delving into what's causing the slowdowns feels like addressing the fever without checking for the infection underneath. Still, give Microsoft credit for recognizing the issue. That's a solid first step toward better user experiences. What do you think? Is preloading a genius workaround for busy users? Or should Microsoft prioritize stripping away the bloat and optimizing from the ground up? Does this strategy make you worry about resource drain on older machines? Or is it a fair trade-off for speed? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear if this sparks agreement, disagreement, or even outrage.